They're stinky, spiky, and some say downright sickening.
Foreigners, they find the taste quite, repulsive.
Although it tastes sweet, I begin to feel a bit sick if I eat too much.
Because of their pungent smell, they're even banned in some places in Asia. But fans of durian, human and otherwise, can't seem to get enough.
But I think they should at least try it there.
China's appetite for the fruit is growing, with some kinds costing more than $12 per kilogram. The United Nations says last year China imported durian worth more than $500 million, a hike of 15% from 2017. Nearly half of that comes from Thailand, but now Malaysia is getting in the market. A new deal allows Malaysia to export whole durians, not just in pulp and paste form as before. The country is hoping to increase its production more than 50% by 2030.
Malaysian durians are mainly grown in a semi-wild environment. They maintain the most original taste of durian, so real durian eaters cannot resist the rich taste, creamy texture, and sweetness.
But the demand has sparked environmental concerns. Some warn that large swaths of jungle are being cleared to make way for vast plantations of the pungent fruit.
Durians are becoming a demand, especially where the Chinese market is concerned. So I would say that right now the evidence of all these deforestation for planting of durians is in actual fact in preparation to meet that demand.
And that means Malaysian growers are starting to shift from small orchards to industrial scale operations, yet another threat to nearby habitats and ecosystems, already vulnerable to loggers and farmers cultivating palm oil.
So there must be a balance of how much we produce and how much is being, is taken care of.
Malaysia's central government has denounced the deforestation, calling on growers to use existing orchards and reuse trees, and rallying for the rights of tribes whose lands are at risk. Despite those efforts, some worry the craving for durian comes at too high of a cost.
The natural environment must be there for us to survive. Otherwise, we won't have water, we won't have anything.
Frances Coe, CGTN.